Sagittarius, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of January 2021. Before we dive into this video, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy new year. Thank you also for joining me on this journey. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use some oracle text that we have here. I'm also being called upon to use Archangel Raphael for a message with respect to your health. Let's just dive into your reading, Sagittarius, without wasting any further time. Sagittarians, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. Towards the final days of December 2020, stepping into January 2021, we have the Nine of Wands. Possibly it was a very challenging period for you. Maybe you had worked very hard, but then you had not got rewards as well. Possibly there's a lot to be done before you get the rewards. Maybe you should have also been more cooperative with respect to your work. Sometimes you're also in a very contemplative mode because you see this person, he is in deep thought. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Page of Cups. Certainly, Sagittarians, you may be a bit withdrawn or you may be a bit aloof as well. Maybe you're focusing on your own self. So that is why you're coming across as a narcissistic person. Nonetheless, I think Sagittarians, this month you're going to be sought after for your words of wisdom. Possibly you will also be a caregiver this month. Ideally, I think Sagittarians, you should avoid getting into unnecessary arguments. Sometimes you may feel that despite doing your utmost for your family members or your loved ones, you are not being acknowledged. So that is why you think it is necessary to enumerate whatever you have done, or you need to point out whatever you have done for them, though you are not someone who would do so. Influences for the month, we have the Ten of Cups. Contentment is quite likely, or you are someone who's desiring contentment. Gains are also quite likely this month, so you need to capitalize. Sagittarians, I'm also picking up that there could be a sense of calm this month. Other than that, even at work, I think you need to brace yourself for work, but then there'll be positive feedback. Some minor worries are going to be there, which could leave you fretful. You should also be more demanding with respect to clients. Maybe you should expect more from them with respect to wages or payment. Basically, Sagittarians, you're being called upon to rush and finalize deals instead of just sitting on your haunches. The first 10 days of January, we have the Three of Swords. Again, health could be a factor here. Maybe you're dealing with some kind of separation or some kind of loss. Possibly you're not getting what you desire, but then there can be other gains which can come in. No doubt it's going to be a challenging period. I think it's going to be a very hectic period as well. Maybe you need to focus at work. Sometimes you could also be embroiled in arguments. So weigh your words very carefully. Also in financial dealings, it would help if you were more transparent. For some of you, I'm also picking up that the work environment could be very oppressive for you. Maybe you're overworked or people are weighing down on you or your boss is breathing down your neck. Nonetheless, it's your presence of mind which will help you make gains. Or because of your presence of mind, others could make gains. Between 11th to 20th January, we have the card Two of Wands. For Sagittarians, there could be discussions with your loved ones about how you should proceed in life. Maybe you're thinking that you're not getting the desired outcome. I think work-wise, I think money motivates you. So you want money or you want finances. It's the impetus that you need. Interestingly, I think payment will come in this way, so that will motivate you to carry on. And this will also make your loved ones happy because they are relieved that you are going to carry on with work. In this period, family members will also promote your skills. Maybe they are going to promote you ahead of another person or another competitor. Basically, you can expect surprises in this period, and you'll also have to negotiate and have your way. Another thing I'm also picking up, Sagittarians, that this period this month will also be marked by reunions. Maybe you could also add to your wardrobe, so there could be shopping trips or you need to declutter your space as well. Towards 21st to 31st January, for Sagittarians, we have Three of Pentacles. You are being asked to collaborate with other people. You are also being asked to enhance your skills. Because you see this lady, she is busy with work and she is working on a painting or she is doing glass painting. So you also need to be creative in this period. Cooperation will definitely help you. Praise can also come in this period for your accuracy or for the insight that you have with respect to work. Some of you also get the opportunity to clear off some debts. There'll be rivalry with a person, but then you will be happy that the management or your superior ignores the complaint of a senior worker and listens to what you have to say. With respect to your love life, Sagittarians, we have the card Refocus. Earlier in this reading, we had the Three of Swords. So sometimes you may not get what you desire, like I said. So possibly for some Sagittarians, there could be the issue of heartache that you're dealing with. Another thing I'm also picking up, that you will be overcome with nostalgia. Maybe you will yearn for your beloved. In case you're expecting to hear from him, you are definitely waiting for him to give you some answers, or you want some answers from him with respect to your relationship. You know, when you're dealing with heartache, it's important to step away and you need to focus on yourself. That is why the card Refocus. Possibly you need to go your own way for a while and find answers from within. Romancing Sagittarians, I think you'll be overwhelmed as your lover will reiterate his feelings for you. Maybe he will say that he enjoys talking to you. Besides, he finds you are someone who is quite confident and protective. Sagittarians, you'll also be complimented for being a better person. Your person feels that you have evolved or you have changed for the better. In case you are in a hush-hush relationship, you should be careful because your family elders could get wind of your plans regarding marriage. Married Sagittarians, I think you have to deal with in-laws. Maybe arguments could escalate with them on account of them. They may provoke you or they incite you to react. Marital infidelity could also be a factor. Still, your spouse is the one who is going to accompany you for business meetings, or when you need his assistance, he's the one who is there right by your side. From the universe, we have the card Hammer Force. So certainly, Sagittarians, there are times when you need to force the issue. You have to drive home the point. Being forceful would help you forge ahead. From Archangel Raphael, I have the card Change Physician. So it's a huge possibility, Sagittarians, that you need to seek a second opinion with respect to a health matter. Possibly even if someone around you is unwell, then you should take a second look at the issue, or you should seek advice from other people around you who could give you that advice. Maybe you should also think along the lines of alternative healing methods. I hope Sagittarians, you liked your reading. This is Shah with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.